Welcome to Go Garage.
Today we're diving into the process of stripping down and cleaning the LT1 Gen 5 engine. Before we get started, it is important to unplug the harness and move it out of the way to prevent any potential damage, even if we won't be using it. Our first step involves removing the plastic shield covering the coils. Following that, we'll detach the harness from the coil packs. We'll also remove the spark plug wires and consider keeping the shields for future use. Next, we'll carefully remove the coil packs, making sure we keep track of the bolts and screws. Now, let's take off the heat shield and exhaust manifold. It's now time to remove the spark plugs. We'll remove the plastic cover that sits over the manifold. Skipping ahead, since the process is identical on the other side. I've already drained the oil, and now I'm removing the oil filter. I'm removing the throttle body, and I'll set it aside for potential spare parts since it was damaged during shipping. Next on our list is removing the water pump housing. Now I'll remove the alternator, tensioner, and bracket assembly. To access the oil pan, we'll turn the engine sideways. The oil pan removal process is straightforward. I have previously removed most of the bolts to make this process go quicker. For your own project, consider removing the harmonic balancer first before tackling this step. I am only making that suggestion because the lip on the oil pan may get in the way. As you may have noticed, I am cleaning the engine and scraping the old sealant off. I will now rotate the engine to remove the valve covers. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'm going to remove the manifold and set it aside for future use. To ensure no debris enters the engine, we're blocking off the exhaust and water ports. Although it's not shown in this video, I've sealed off the manifold ports with some tape and plugged up the spark plug holes with some cardboard plugs. That concludes today's video. Thank you for watching.